If you have ongoing severe pain, your doctor may prescribe Tapentadol Tablet, extended release 12 hours to help relieve it. This medication is an opioid pain reliever, which means it acts on certain centers in the brain to give you pain relief. It may also be used to help relieve nerve pain in people with diabetes. It's important to note that this medication is not for occasional use or to relieve mild pain. Always follow your doctor's instructions for the best results. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication will be determined by your doctor based on your specific needs. Before taking Tapentadol, always read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth with or without food as directed by your doctor, usually twice a day, about 12 hours apart. Take this medication on a regular schedule as directed by your doctor, not as needed for sudden, breakthrough, pain. Swallow the tablet whole, do not crush, break, chew, or dissolve the tablet. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Do not increase your dose, take the medication more often, or take it for a longer time than prescribed. Suddenly stopping this medication may cause withdrawal, especially if you have used it for a long time or in high doses. When this medication is used for a long time, it may not work as well. Though it helps many people, this medication may sometimes cause addiction. Tell your doctor if your pain does not get better or if it gets worse. Side effects of Tapentadol ER may include nausea, vomiting, constipation, dizziness, drowsiness, dry mouth, increased sweating, or tiredness. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. To help prevent constipation, it is recommended to eat dietary fiber, drink enough water, exercise, and possibly take a laxative as advised by your pharmacist. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, it is important to get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. Remember, this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. However, it is important to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects such as confusion, interrupted breathing during sleep, severe stomach or abdominal pain, difficulty urinating, or signs of adrenal glands not functioning well. Seek medical help right away if you experience fainting, seizures, slow/shallow breathing, severe drowsiness, or difficulty waking up. Additionally, this medication may increase serotonin and rarely cause a serious condition called serotonin syndrome/toxicity. Inform your doctor or pharmacist about all the medications you are taking to reduce the risk of this condition. If you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. In the U.S., you may report side effects to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Tapentadol has a risk for abuse and addiction, which can lead to overdose and death. It may also cause severe breathing problems. To lower your risk, your doctor should have you take the smallest dose that works, and take it for the shortest possible time. Ask your doctor or pharmacist if you should have naloxone available to treat opioid overdose. Teach your family members about the signs of an opioid overdose and how to treat it. The risk for severe breathing problems is higher when you start this medication and after a dose increase, or if you take the wrong dose. Taking this medication with alcohol or other drugs that can cause drowsiness or breathing problems may cause very serious side effects, including death. Be sure you know how to take Tapentadol and what other drugs you should avoid taking with it. Do not crush, break, chew, or dissolve this medication. Also, do not drink alcohol or use any product that contains alcohol while taking this medication. Keep this medicine in a safe place to prevent theft, misuse, or abuse. If someone accidentally swallows this drug, get medical help right away. Before using this medication, women of childbearing age should talk with their doctors about the risks and benefits. Tell your doctor if you are pregnant or if you plan to become pregnant. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. It may slightly increase the risk of birth defects if used during the first 2 months of pregnancy. Also, using it for a long time or in high doses near the expected delivery date may harm the unborn baby. To lessen the risk, take the smallest effective dose for the shortest possible time. Babies born to mothers who use this drug for a long time may develop severe withdrawal symptoms. Tell the doctor right away if you notice any symptoms in your newborn baby. Before starting Tapentadol, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have any brain disorders, breathing problems, kidney or liver disease, pancreas or gallbladder disease, mental/mood disorders, or a history of substance use disorder. This medication may cause dizziness or drowsiness, so it's important to avoid driving or using machinery until you know how it affects you. Alcohol and marijuana can enhance these effects, so it's best to avoid these substances while taking Tapentadol. If you're planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are currently using. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, so it's important to use it with caution. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor, as it may have potential effects on the unborn baby or nursing infant. Drug interactions can change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Tapentadol extended release include certain pain medications, naltrexone, products that contain alcohol, and samidorphan. Avoid taking MAO inhibitors with this medication, as it may cause a serious, possibly fatal, drug interaction. Ask your doctor when to start or stop taking this medication if you are also taking other drugs that increase serotonin. And be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking other products that may cause drowsiness or breathing problems, as this may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's also important to check the labels on all your medicines, as they may contain ingredients that cause drowsiness. And finally, be aware that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, so make sure lab personnel and all your doctors know you use this drug. If someone has taken too much Tapentadol and is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, naloxone should be administered if available, and then 911 should be called. If the person is conscious and not showing any symptoms, a poison control center should be contacted immediately. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of Tapentadol overdose may include slow or shallow breathing, a slow heartbeat, seizures, or coma. This medication is prescribed specifically for your current condition. It is important not to share this medication with others, as it is against the law. Additionally, do not use this medication for a different condition unless directed by your doctor. In that case, a different medication may be necessary. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Tapentadol Tablet, extended release 12 hours at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Remember not to store it in the bathroom and keep it out of reach of children and pets. It's also important to not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. For more details, you can read the medication guide or consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.